Welcome to your cardio workout, another high intensity workout that's gonna increase your heart rate, give you a little recovery time, and boost your energy all day long. Let's start with our 30-second intervals. So I wanna start with high knees. Start lifting your knees. We'll start nice and low. And then as you advance, you feel stronger, you get some more breath, you're gonna come up a little higher, just swing that opposite arm with leg. Big inhale, spine is tall. Exhale, shoulders are on back. One leg at a time, modification, right? Lifting. This is still high intensity here, so take it at your level today. Last two, one, here's our 10 seconds. Nice big breath. Not quite breathless yet, but I know I'm gonna get there. Last 5, 4, 3, jumping jacks are next. Here we go. And jack, big arms. Reach. Again, if you wanna take a modification, it's side, side, side to side. You just build up that strength every single day. It'd be great to add the static workout into your day to build the strength of the muscles, which give you the power during the cardio sessions like this. Last two, one. Recover, nice soft landing. Hear how I'm landing like a cat. So you want a toe heel landing, not that heavy. That'll kind of transition up into the joints. Last 3, 2, 1. We have butt kickers. Here we go, 30 seconds. So now, knees are down to the ground and you're trying to kick your butt. It's using the hamstrings. Swing an opposite arm, leg. Really try and kick your butt. Good. Maybe pick up the pace a little bit. Inhale, exhale. Get there, however you need to. Driving the belly and core is always working nice and strong. You have 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take your 10 seconds. Shoulders down your back. De-stress our high tense area, our neck and our traps. Last one, we're gonna go into our skater. Start by lunging out to the side, take the opposite leg back, and we're gonna jump to the other side. You can take a little leap and step. You can jump nice and big. Side to side. So we had front and back motion here. Now we're doing some lateral movement. Really working through those side glutes. Last 5, 3, last 1. Come on up, that's our first set. So take a big breath in. Exhale, we're gonna start here with the high knees in 3, 2, 1. Start lifting. Opposite arm as leg, pulling up through your core, cinching at your waist, pressing through your toes, and breathing, of course. So I hope you're feeling a little better. Even if you were tired when you started, this starts to really increase the energy of the body, the endorphins, get the cells of the body fired up. Last 2, 1. Here we go, take a break. I'm starting to get more breathless, that's the goal here. I can feel my heart pumping. Last 2, 1, jumping jacks. Don't forget your variations. You can step side to side. Just keep moving. Out and in, you see that lateral movement again here. I'm all about toning the body equally. We're always doing front and back motions, so I like to add a lot of twisting and lateral movements to add power and challenge to the body. Take a break. I kind of see it as Michelangelo, and you're sculpting the body that you want to see, okay? Last 3, 2, butt kickers. Start lifting those heels. You can go side to side here just a little bit more if you want. Pressing off. Back to the center, and side to side, and center. Lifting up, shoulders on your back. Your shoulders on your back and your collarbone is wide. It's like a fresh breath of air. It just really opens up the whole body. Last 2, 1, release. Last exercise here, let's prep for our skater. And then we have 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Last one, here we go, side to side. You can either jump up nice and high, or you can try and jump a little farther and down low. Spine is long, core is powered through. You don't have to touch the ground. You could be up nice and high, really reaching through the torso. Last one, and come through center, take a little break. We have our last set. So 4 exercises. Big breath in, let's take 1 power breath. Exhale, I really want you to push it, get the heart rate going. Here we go, and 3, and 2, and 1, knee kicks. Lift up, spine is long, shoulders open. We're always sitting like this, right? So the body tends to tighten in the front. Do to reverse that. Balance, feel good. So feel like you're lifting up to the sky. We're already down to 10 seconds here. I want more. What about you? 3, 2, 1. All right, take a break. Recover, slow the heart rate. Last 3 here. 2, 1, we have our jumping jacks. You know, when you're working out, try to really focus on the workout itself. No grocery list, what the kids are doing in school, you know, what you need to pick up for your husband. Focus on you and your body. Focus on the muscles that are working. Focus on your breath. Take this 10 minutes and just make it about you and your health. Last 3, 2, 1, recover. Get all the hair out of your face and breathe. All right, we're gonna start here in 2 seconds. Last one, here we go. Really lifting up, tightening through the whole thigh, lifting up through the belly. And finding this time for yourself. How are you feeling? Go inward for a second. You starting to feel a little better? I hope so. You should be. Last 2, 1, and we have skaters left, that's it. All right, come on down, let's prep. So take a nice big inhale, lengthen through the spine, maybe add an extra twist, and here we go, 30 seconds on the clock. Twist. I'm gonna really work the reach this time around. Good, and you just let your head go with your neck and your spine as it twists. Good. You don't need much space for this workout. You could take this on vacation, take it anywhere you go. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Come on up through center. Great work. I'll see you next time. Welcome to your stretch session. Walk to the front of your mat, feet hip distance. Inhale, reach your hands up to the sky, lengthen from your heels all the way up to your fingertips, but draw the shoulder blades down, interlace your fingers, press the palms up to the sky. Look up, inhale, lengthen through the torso, and then exhale. We're gonna fold from the hips, take a soft bend in your knees all the way down. Step your right foot back and keep the leg nice and long. We're gonna stretch through the front quadricep up into the hip flexors here. So really lengthen through and lift up through the hamstring. Now let's add a twist to this. So reach your same hand as leg down. We're gonna twist up towards the front leg, reach up off of the bottom hand, pull in through your torso, take a nice big twist. And then exhale, hand down. Let's move into our hamstring stretch. All you're gonna do is push back into the back leg, drop down, try to lengthen through the spine to feel a stretch from your toes all the way to the crown of your head. Let's try the other side. So step forward, step the opposite leg back. It's gonna stay nice and long. Lengthen, feel like you're pressing the hamstring up to the sky. Inhale, same hand as leg down, twist. Take another big inhale, lengthen through the back, shoulders are down the back. Exhale, release the hand. Our hamstring stretch is next. So press the hips back, drop and lengthen through the torso. On your next inhale, step forward. And then we're gonna roll up 1 vertebrae at a time, starting from the core, letting the head be heavy. Reach the hands back up to the sky. Inhale and exhale. Add your stretch session to the end of every workout for flexibility and balance.